Yeah, back in effect. This is ZK, Zimbabwe kid, back at Best Buy, about to buy some good music. Trying to figure out what should I buy. I heard some of those joints, good music. Yup. Okay. Let's see. Man, all the way here at the bottom, look at that. Their prayers. Let's get free. Cameron, come home with me. Man, some good albums. Big Pun, Legacy. Okay. So, for today, Friday, Music Review Friday, we're gonna get this one right here. Dead Prayers. Let's Get Free. Oh, that's a good one too. Dwelle, Sketches of a Man. Man, some good music. Okay, here we go. Lauryn Hill. What should I get? Man. Jones. Q-Tip. Whoa. Killer Mike. You know what? I'm going to get Killer Mike. Yeah, Killer Mike, Mike Bigger. That's it right there. Music Review Fridays. ZK Zimbabwe Kid. Peace.